stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able to get the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need, until my heart gives in